Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the appearance in the TomTom Go application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the menu button at the bottom of the page on the left. And then scroll down and click on the settings button. And then click on the appearance button. And then at the top of the page, click on the day and night colors button. And as you can see, you can set it to always show day colors or always show night colors, or you can switch to automatic setting as well. So just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.